Hello, my dear friends. Today, I will discuss about how to write a business correspondence. Why have I selected this particular topic? There are two basic reasons behind this. First, business correspondence is a separate module prescribed by Shivaji University for become first year students in their second semester for 10 marks. Yes, for 10 marks. If we consider your paper of 50 marks, then this particular module will give you 20% of marks in a paper. Sounds good? And another side of the coin is, you all are the student of commerce, isn't it? Some of you will become chartered accountants, some may company secretaries, some will join banking sectors for different positions, and rest will start their own tax consultancy firms or their own businesses. So, acquiring the knowledge about writing a business correspondence will not only give you 20% of marks, but it will help you whole life. So, let's get the ball rolling. As we all know that communication is a process in which we can express our ideas, thoughts, emotions and feelings, etc. And if we communicate through exchange of letters, it comes under verbal communication, or also we can say it's business correspondence. It is purely a formal communication. We have different types of business letters, such as part first, business letters divided into four parts: letter of inquiry, a reply to inquiry letter, letter of complaint, and reply to complaint letter. Then second part, mass communication or circular letters. In this we have change in address, opening new department, shop, branches and expanses of premises, introducing new product, announcing of retirement or death of partner, announcing a rise or a reduction in prices, and announcing the agency obtained, etc. In third part of business correspondence, social communication letters to maintain goodwill. In this we have a letter of congratulations, reply to congratulations letter, letter of invitation, letter of acceptance of invitation, letter of regret, letter of thanks, letter of appreciation, and letter of condolence and sympathy, etc. My dear friends, though we have different types of business correspondence, Shivaji University has prescribed details about pattern of question paper. And as per the pattern of question paper, one question will be asked on either business communication or mass communication, and second question will be asked on social communication. Each question carries 5 marks. How simple it is. So today we will study the basic structure of business letters with the help of animation. Once you will understand the basic structure, you are able to write any kind of business correspondence. Business letters should be written on executive bond papers. These papers are rectangular in shape or A4 size. Business letter is first impression, or we can say it is a mirror of an organization. It is specially designed to advertise and to brand the product or to create impact in the market. There are 10 basic elements that normally appear in every letter on fixed place on a piece of paper. Writing a letter is as good as solving a maths problem, because with every step you will get marks. Let's briefly discuss the 10 different components of business letters in detail. When you are going to solve the answer of business correspondence, first you should draw a rectangular shape in answer sheet on a separate page. Just concentrate on screen so you will come to know. Once you draw a rectangular shape, the next step is we need to create heading. That is the first component of business letter. To create heading, we need to make a separate rectangular box as like this. The heading of business letter usually contains the name of an organization, the detailed correspondence address with pin code number, email address, website, telephone numbers, fax numbers, and organization's logo or its corporate identity. The name of an organization normally printed in the middle top of the heading box. The logo must be placed at the left side of the heading box. If all these details will be provided in question, then you should collect information and write it in the heading box. If the detail will not provided, then you need to create by your own. So see the example here. Almira Publishing House, 307 Anubal Complex, 4th Lane, Rajarampuri, Kolhapur, 416008. Website www.aph.com. Email ID info@aph.com and contact number 9370946484. And now its logo. I hope this point is clear to you all. After heading, we need to write a reference number in your letter. It is very important part and should be properly placed at the left side corner immediately after heading box. It contains initials of your organization, then department from where the letter is being sent, year and letter number. For example, reference APH/sales/2021/297. Then the date. The date is written on the right side corner and exactly in the front of reference number. Date should be written in any form, that is May 24th, 2021, 24th May 2021 or 24/05/2021. After that, we need to write address to whom the letter is to be sent or who receives the letter. It is called inside address. This is written on the left hand side of the paper and below the reference number. It contains the full name or a designation of person, organization name and business address. For example, the chairman, Word of Books, Kahar Heights, Viman Nagar, Pune, 43. Here we don't need to write contact number, fax number, email and website of that company. Now turn to subject. Subject of the letter will decide whether this letter should be read or not. So subject should be short, meaningful and with catchy words. The word subject is followed by a colon like subject and colon, and then the matter is indicated. The next part of the letter is opening salutation. It is placed below the inside address. Salutation will be like dear sir or madam followed by comma. After salutation, we need to write main body of the letter. Generally, main body of the letter will be covered in three parts. Part first, opening part. It is introductory part and it gives information about organization or previous correspondence. It should be written in maximum 2 lines. Part 2, main part. This part covers subject matter of the letter. It should be very precise and written in exact and clear words. Your message should be conveyed with necessary details within 4 to 5 lines. And third, concluding part. It covers the concluding remark in maximum 1.5 or 2 lines followed by thanking you, with regards or with warm regards, etc. Main body of the letter should be followed by ending salutation or complimentary close as yours faithfully. After ending salutation, signature is very important. It covers the name of the organization, signature, and name of the writer of this letter and designation. For example, yours faithfully for Almira Publishing House. Actual signature, name of the person and designation. Before going to conclude the letter, enclosures should be written if it is necessary. Enclosure is a list of attached documents like receipt, check, demand draft, bills, quotation, invoice, etc. My dear friends, if you will follow all these simple steps, definitely you will get good marks. Just change the main body of the letter according to the question asked in question paper. If you have any doubt, please feel free to write into comment below. Thank you very much. We will meet soon with next video.